For we wait, we wait in grace, we watch and wait, knowing and we'll stay through the night, steadfast to believe, watch through the night, for the breaking of that day, but until then we watch and we pray. Lord, make haste.